Hey, Tech Guide Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're going to look at how to promote a YouTube link on Pinterest. So you can make a specific account on Pinterest for your YouTube account, or you can use another account if the niches are closely related. So that's what I'm going to do today. I'm going to promote the link on my blog Pinterest account. So first of all, I need to go back over to my YouTube account, find the video I want to promote. Then I'm going to click on the three dots, click on share, and I'm going to copy the link. So that is copied to my clipboard. I'm going to go back over to Pinterest. From there, I'm going to scroll down. I'm going to click on create and click on pin. So to start with, you need to upload an image or a video. It's best if you create like a vertical pin. So I do this with Canva. You can do it with a free account. It's because these get noticed better in the Pinterest feed. They're taller, more visual, but you can just use the thumbnail for your YouTube video to save time. So that's what I'm going to do today. I'm going to upload the thumbnail. And when I've done that, I can add my YouTube video link in the link section. And then you need to add a bit of detail to help people find your pin and to help it rank in Pinterest search. So I'm going to say how to delete a Pinterest account permanently. And normally I'd add in a bit of a detailed description with a couple more keywords that you think people might use to find this type of content. Then you need to choose a board to put that on. So this is social media. So I'm going to add that to my social media marketing board. Then you can also add in tags, which also help with SEO and help Pinterest understand what your video is about. So search for sort of tag topics that are related to your video. Then you can either add publish, so the pin goes out now, or you can publish at a later date. So that's it. That's how to promote a YouTube link on Pinterest. I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel. I will see you soon.